Hello and welcome to English Learning for Beginners. In today's lesson, we will discuss pronoun and see how it works. Okay, but I always start with some examples, and I will write two paragraphs. Okay, simultaneously so that we can compare them and understand why pronouns are important and why we need pronouns. Okay. Okay. So we have two paragraphs, right? First one, listen to Lata. She is singing. John and Jason are here. They have come to hear her. She will be glad to see them. Okay. So let me make these words bold first. And I write down the same sentences, the same paragraph below. Listen to Lata. Lata is singing. John and Jason are here. John and Jason have come to hear Lata. Lata will be glad to see John and Jason. Okay. Now, in the above sentences, the words in bold, I mean, this one, this one, are used instead of names or nouns. And in the next paragraph, we have used only nouns or names, right? So, it is easier and better to use such words than to keep on repeating the nouns and write like this one. Okay, isn't it? So, such words, therefore, we can say, okay, the word pronoun means for a noun. So, pronoun means for a noun. I hope you understand why we use pronoun, because it looks very ugly, this paragraph, because we are using nouns again and again, names again and again. But this one is much more elegant because we have used pronouns correctly. Okay, so don't forget to watch the next video where I will discuss kinds of pronouns. So stay tuned, keep watching, keep practicing.